Is your deep freezer suddenly not cooling? Before you spend hundreds of dollars on a new one, watch this. In this video, I'll show you a simple fix that costs less than $20 and brought my freezer back to life. Before we start, make sure to unplug your freezer. Safety is very important when working with electrical appliances. Now, if your freezer is not running or not cooling, don't worry. The problem is often small and easy to fix. First, move your freezer and remove the back panel using a screwdriver. Once you open it, you will see the compressor, which is the main part responsible for cooling. Near the compressor, there's a small box that contains important electrical components. If your compressor feels slightly warm but not running, it means it is trying to start but something is stopping it. In most cases, the issue is not the compressor. It's a small part called the start relay. Open the small box and locate the relay attached to the compressor. Before removing anything, take a picture so you remember the wire connections. Now carefully disconnect the wires using pliers and remove the relay. If the relay is damaged or weak, it won't start the compressor. There is also another part called the overload protector. This protects the compressor from overheating. If replacing the relay doesn't fix the issue, you can also replace this part. It's cheap and easy to install. Install the new relay and reconnect all wires exactly as before. Close everything, plug the freezer back in, and check if it starts running. If it works, let it run for a few hours to make sure cooling is normal. And that's it, a simple fix that can save you hundreds of dollars. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy repair videos.